Let me give you the more examples on arrow function. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna map the friends array. We have friends array. It will take the friend, and I'm gonna use arrow function. What I want to do, I would like to convert this array to objects of array. I would like to separate the first name is friend. Let's keep the last name for each friend. Let's say Doe. And we also have another property which is id. You can also get the id here, which is an index. Let me generate an random id, but there is a problem. You can see that you could not use that. So how can you fix this error? I don't want to use return statement here, so you can use the parenthesis here. Bam. You also need to include another parenthesis. Let me format my code. Let's do here inside in this way. Let me provide the id here. I'm gonna use backtick to generate the random id. I'm gonna put random string here. We need to add the index here. Let's do this way. Cool. Now I would like to reformat the code. Bam. Incredible. Now you can see the code here. Cool. Now it looks good so far. So it will return the result. Let me catch inside the results array. I'm gonna log the results. Cool. Incredible. Here we have first name, last name. Let's do some a little bit more crazy stuff. You can also do this way, console.table. You can provide here the results. Incredible. Here we have first name, last name, and the id, which is unique id. You could also use arrow function with any anonymous callback function. Let's try to find the results. Let's say I would like to find the Jane from the friends array. I would like to filter the Jane, the name with Jane. It will return the, let's do the filter method. It will return the new array. Here we need to provide the criteria object or our condition. It will take f. I would like to find the Jane. F is equals to Jane. Please give me all the friends with Jane. So I need to log these results. Let's do this way. Incredible. We have only one Jane. Let's add another Jane. Now you will see the two Jane. Did you see that? Here we have two records of Jane. You can use arrow function with filter, map, or any callback functions.